Hi friends, welcome to the SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare basic 3D model in Autodesk Inventor software. So I choose this drawing. I will convert it into 3D. If you are new our channel, please subscribe and support me friends. Select new, metric, standard, create sketch, 2D sketch, select plane, here select center rectangle, give the dimension. You can see the base size is 98 by 20 mm. This is 98 mm. And this is 20 mm. So sketch is fully constrained. You can see right side corner, down side fully constrained as showing. Finish sketch, extrude up to 42 mm. Okay. Now you can see the bottom one flange is there. I will create that flange. In that flange we need to visibility on of YZ plane, or we can sketch here. Sketch, select the circle, the diameter is 42 mm and give the dimension here to here 21 mm. Take the line, take the one more side, give the tangent. Okay, now remove the unwanted lines. And also one more circle is the center. Select circle, 20 mm diameter. We can do this later also, but I will do in one sketch. You can see the dimension friends, 21, 42 mm. Here to here the diameter is 42, bottom to here 21 mm. Finish sketch, extrude both side. You can see the thickness is 14 mm. Click OK. Again you can see bottom side there are one cutout. I will do that. Select this surface, sketch, select 2-point rectangle, give the dimension. Both the side 14 mm is there and depth is 6 mm. This side also 14. The depth is 6. Give the line constraint. That's it. Sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Extrude, reverse through all. Okay. So cutout is ready. So So now we can given some fillet here. 2 mm is okay. This one, and this one. Apply, cancel. You can see, friends, you can match both side. This side on, that side on, hole is there, so hole is missing. I will do that. Select this surface, sketch. We can do in a 2 option. First we need to give point, then we can create hole, and also it's a simple hole. If it is simple hole, we can create in a circle, but I will show you how to create with the point. Take the point, give the dimension, I think. I will check one more time. Here to here, 21. Yes, 24 and 21. Finish the sketch. Now here select hole feature. Here select normal hole through all. The hole size is 12 mm up to through. Click OK. So one side hole is done. I will show you how to mirror this in the other side. Select the feature, select here mirror option, mirror plane, select the center plane, click OK. Another side hole is also ready. Now assign the materials. Select here generic. If you click now, all the materials will come. Which material you want, you can select. I will go with steel only, stainless steel. Okay. So here we can change the finish also, sky blue, or we can change one more color. Okay. That's it, friend, today's session. If you like this video, please do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you for watching this video.